Hi everyone, Ron Crider here once again. This time it's Christmas hummus. And yes, we are beside the Atlantic Ocean here in Vero Beach. Take a look at that beautiful surf. Here at the Victoria, right on Vero Beach. Really nice. Okay, here comes the finished product. This is what it looks like when it's done. Kind of made it a little Christmassy. So there's a little red and green in there along with all the wonderful Middle Eastern hummus. Let's get started here. Okay, first thing we're going to do, oh, there he is, Ron Crider. Take this garlic. We're going to take one garlic, and I'm going to put a lot of garlic in here because, of course, I like garlic, and I'm making this for myself. So we're going to take this garlic, and we're going to chop it up. I don't chop really well, so I didn't show you a whole lot of that. You know how to chop garlic. Smash it up a little bit, peel it off, chop it up. But as I said, I used an awful lot of garlic in here. Now, one of the things you're going to notice as I go through here is I don't cook the chickpeas. I use them, I wash them off, but I don't cook them. Now, a lot of recipes call for them to be cooked, but I don't do it, and I've tried it several different ways, and I prefer not cooking them. I think we get more flavor when we don't cook some of the juices out. So here we go, chopping up all the garlic. We're going to need the juice of, I use the juice of 1 lemon. Some people use the juice of a half a lemon, a quarter of a lemon. I use the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to squeeze that in there. Make sure you get all the little pits out of there. I want you to see this little can opener. This is really cool. Check this out. Click that on there. See that little thing on the side there holds the lid up. So as we crank it, this is the best one I've ever used. So as you crank it around here, you get to the end. There's a little switch on the top. You push the switch. Watch this. Bang. There it is. That is so slick. And I think that it costs like less than $10 on Amazon. So we're going to dump these chickpeas in here. We're going to drain them. Drain them real good. Then we're going to put them under the water. Give them a really good bath. We want to get all that broth out of there. Stick them under the water. Give them a nice bath. Cold water. Good idea to let them sit a little bit. Okay, enough's enough here. Let's go. I don't have a lot of time here. This is only a 5-minute video. There we go. So they're all drained, sitting in there. We're going to take the chickpeas and we're going to put them into the super duper blender. I have a surprise for you when you see this video. They're going to stick something in here that most people don't do. There goes the garlic. Put the garlic in there. It's good I didn't show you how I put the lid on there. It's really tough. I did a terrible job of doing it. So now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Chop this up a little bit. Stick a little olive oil in here, a couple of tablespoons. You have to kind of feel your way along when you make this as to how you like it. And there goes the lemon juice. Spin it a little bit, a couple of minutes. I don't know how fluffy you want yours. I don't like mine terribly fluffy. I like it to be kind of rough cut. So you'll see as we put it together here how it goes. I'm going to give it a little bit more of a chop, and I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil in here. There we go. Christmas hummus. Give it a taste. Yeah, that's not bad. I like that. Keeps pretty good in the refrigerator. There you go. Here is the surprise ingredient. I'm putting about a tablespoon of mustard in there. And I found I like to give it a little extra flavor with that mustard, so that's why that's going in there. There it is. There is the finished Christmas hummus. It's not quite Christmas yet, so let me show you what we're going to do. First, I'm going to take this out, put it into one of these little storage bins that I put into the refrigerator. And I can keep this for a couple of weeks in the refrigerator. It stays pretty well. There is the ingredients. These are the colored peppers. There's red and green, and there's a couple of yellow peppers in there. Now I'm mixing those in with the hummus. And there it is. That's the finished product. And as you can see, after I mixed it in, then I took some and put it around the side. I put a couple of little green pickles around there and a big red pepper in the middle. Doesn't that look good? It's terrific. Tastes excellent. So it's called Christmas hummus. It's very easy to make. Probably doesn't take you more than 15 minutes at the most to put it together. Hope you enjoy it. Ron Crider here. RonCrider@gmail.com if you have any questions. Looking forward to hearing from you. Let's take one more look at it. It's a still picture of it. And then we'll go back to the beach because everybody says, oh, show me the beach. I like the beach. It's a lot better than hearing your voice. And you can hear the surf in the background. Here at Vero Beach at the Victoria Condominium. Vero Beach, Florida. This was made December 2019. Have a great holiday. Merry Christmas, everyone.